In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or set your video format in Shotcut video editor. So it is good to go ahead and have a standard video format that you want all your videos to be downloaded in. And the good thing is you can go ahead and make these settings straight into your Shotcut video editor app. So the first thing you have to do is to go ahead and open your video editor and then go to this settings option. And from here, choose the option called video mode. So under this, by default, it is set to automatic. Because I have almost a single source where I record my videos and they are set to a certain standard, then I'll prefer to go ahead and choose a specific quality. For my case, I like to choose HD format, 1080p and 30 frames per second. This is the standard format that I like creating videos in, more especially for uploading on YouTube. So I'll go ahead and change this to 1080p and 30 frames per second. And that has been saved. So each and every time I download a video, it will be downloaded in that format. However, should I upload a video that is of low resolution or of low quality, maybe say 720, then I can download it in that format. It will be downloaded in its original format. So if your option is automatic, then it means that if you chose the automatic option as well, it means that your videos will also be downloaded in the format in which they were uploaded in Shotcut. So that's how you change your video format in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.